Let's take a look at the chat feature of the AI agent in Bruin Cloud. From the AI menu, let's navigate to Chats. From the drop-down, select the AI agent that you want to start a chat with. You can check out the other documentations and videos on how to configure and set up your AI agent. This specific AI agent has been given access to one of our Bruin projects and pipelines, as well as access to the database. Let's start with asking the agent to tell us what it has access to and what kind of data we can ask it about. It will create a sandbox environment where it will clone your repo, it will take a look at your pipelines and assets and files, as well as any instructions or agent markdown files that you have. It will build a memory of all the context and be able to answer your questions given the context of your environment and your project. It will use the connections that you have set up to connect to your database or your data warehouse and be able to query the data. And it will start off with querying the schema of all the data that you have available and map that out for you. We can see here that it has access to a few different data sets that we have available in this data warehouse. Now let's go ahead and ask it a more specific question and ask it to analyze and create some charts and reports for us. In this example, I asked it a question about creating a financial report for Microsoft and Apple. And specifically, I asked to create a PDF report for me. From the context of my question, as well as the information and metadata it has about our data warehouse, it will be able to find exactly which data sets and tables to query the data from. Alright, so after a few minutes and 23 steps and 6 queries, it was able to create the report for us. We can see that it first created some charts for us, and it also attached both the Python file as well as the PDF file for us to download and be able to access. Now let's take a look at another way of using the agent. This agent has access to Bruin Cloud CLI. This means that it can access our pipelines history, our assets, as well as our catalog. We can instruct it to run a pipeline for us, check pipeline status, and do other operations inside Bruin Cloud. Let's start with asking a question about one of our pipelines and its run history. Alright, after 1 minute of thinking and 11 steps, it was able to find that in the last 10 days, the pipeline ran 7 times and 3 of those runs were failed. As you can see, you can use the AI agent for both as an AI data analyst as well as your assistant when it comes to data engineering tasks.